The next question is from Catherine. Why is this able to be OTC?
It is not OTC. So actually, the DHEA technically is OTC. We just work it as a prescription because I think it's safer that way. Like we talked about at the very beginning, I don't want someone taking a bunch of DHEA I don't know about, and then I'm giving them estrogen, and then they end up with too much estrogen. So we treat the DHEA like a prescription, basically just to keep it safer. But I'm a licensed physician, and so and our pharmacy is a licensed pharmacy. These are real prescriptions, and gosh, I wish it was over the counter. Believe me, it's a real pain in the neck to go through all the things we have to do to keep all the various state governments happy. And the reason that our expansion is a little bit slow is, we've got to get licensed physicians in those states. We've got to get the pharmacy licensed in the states. And we go through all the regulatory process, and we're very careful to do this correctly. And these are prescription medications.